Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. We got Black Cloud, we got Perry on Forever a Ride, and we also got Corey with us. We're gonna go make a quick video for Perry because he just ended up getting the new bike. So it's time to go make that video, have some fun, and let's get on into it.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we pulled up to our destination for the filming. So now let's roll that new video.
Yeah, man. How's everything? Yeah, man. We got kind of hot outside, huh? What the fuck is that?
Fucking bolt.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you got to see the little intro that we're doing. So make sure you go and check out the rest of the video on Perry's channel, Forever a Ride. I'll link it right up here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button too, so you know when the next video comes on out. And I'll catch you out in the next one. Peace. Actually, let's do that piece again. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.